Here we go. All right, this is 100% wax wheels. We're going. All right, everyone, we're here today because you commented a request on our wax rail video, which went okay, but this video today is going to be a Gabe Cruz perfection clinic. Ain't that right? Ain't that Rick?
They told me that it was wax, so I wore my correct attire.
That is right. So as you see here, we have molds that we're going to use for these wheels. And we have 2 bearings, and we also have these little rods sticking out to hold the bearings aligned so they can actually go correctly on the truck when they are then melted and shaped and molded.
You know, the audience is over here, but you're mainly focused on Nigel. Is there a reason for that?
Because I feel like Nigel is going to be the one to judge me.
Mm-hmm.
He's already been judged.
He's already judging me. So it's like I'm pitching my plan to him because the people in the audience, the only thing they can do is just watch. But Nigel is here and he can intervene and talk and do all this different stuff. So what are your thoughts?
Go ahead.
No, there's something in there. There's something in there.
I'm just gonna let the wheels fill up. We're gonna fill up to the top of the bearing.
You know what, Gabe Cruz, you should have just done this. If you were gonna do that, at least make it thicker and wider. Then you have like a better wheel. Why are you gonna make it really thin and it's gonna be weak?
You know.
Well, that's what I'm thinking.
Mo likes it thicker.
Thin ratio.
Several bad puns later.
Well, I did buy many molds, so what we can do is we can make it a double layer almost.
You know, want to hear my prediction?
Yes.
If it's gonna be this thin, breaking. This, at least maybe a few seconds of life when a person stands on it.
It depends on how solid it's solidified.
Yeah, well, let me tell you my prediction right now, and Aussie Dan censor this out, but we got to get the thumbnail. That's why we got to film the build.
Just get one of these.
Honestly, that is not a bad idea.
It's not a bad idea at all.
Where did you get this?
How about you
this
make a
4
mold
ways?
and we'll cut this and compare the 2.
I mean, I'm down. I am.
I feel like you gotta get a smaller one.
All right, we're going to Joanne's Fabric right now.
All right, I thought it was Joanne's, but it's actually Michael's, and Ricky's really upset.
Yeah, I'm new.
After you. Okay, if I'm correct, the wax, that's chocolate. I mean, this would be, honestly, if they turned out like this, I'd be pretty stoked.
You might as well buy those.
Just drill through
wax.
the middle.
You don't need the bearings at this point.
Bearing's not gonna do anything. Come on now.
I'm making wheels,
I like how
Rick.
you're so concerned
I
for
am
the
making,
bearings.
because I am making wheels, all right? This is the wheel deal.
Maybe
He was
put,
waiting for that.
You guys are so alarmed by my potential success. You know, you guys got to gather your bearings.
he's reaching.
Really?
No, I'm
He's
rolling.
reaching.
Where's the wax? I've gone around this whole store and can't find the wax.
Dang, this is sick.
Where can I find your wax? Candle wax? Candle wax, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, all right, thank
That's
you.
chocolate.
Oh, yes. Oh, we are on to something, boys.
Yeah, see, look, here we go.
Dude, what? They had a whole wheel kit for... Are you serious? What is this? That's lip balm base.
Yeah.
100% lip balm
What
wheels.
I was thinking is just get literally like a thick pillar candle and then just cut it.
No, yeah, I agree. We just, I mean, I'm sure it's here. It's got to be here somewhere. There's got to be like candle rods somewhere. So, I mean, I guess if you guys can't find your candles, I mean, my idea is just a better idea. Oh, Rick, here we go.
You decide. Look, this is...
Save yourself some
What do you
time,
think?
Gabe. This is it.
Mo, if you try to shut down my idea one more time, all right?
I'm
If there's
just trying to
anything-
save you
no,
time.
if there's anything I want to teach my fans is that if you... Sorry, I'm going to say that again. If there's anything I want to teach our viewers...
No, you're right. Your fans and your belief. Because there's so many people that believe you on that
No.
side.
This is not about me, Mo. What I'm trying to teach the people that watch our video, our wonderful viewers, what I'm trying to teach them is that if they have an idea, it is up to them. It is their responsibility to make that idea a reality. And if it doesn't work out and you fail, then try again. And don't let the people around you tell you what can and can't succeed, because ultimately, it's what you want that matters.
Don't listen to him until he drops it on vert. Don't listen to nothing he says.
No. Before, to add on to you, what's the goal of this video?
The goal of this video...
What's the comment? What the
is
comment
to-
say?
The goal of this video is to take a really good thumbnail.
No.
and some wax.
No.
All right, so if you want to put,
Yeah,
if you want to put bearings actually in them, this is gonna be perfect.
Listen,
So you
Gabe
can actually, like,
Cruz. What is the comment that was left? What?
I forgot it.
No,
It's gonna
no,
be
no,
right
you
here.
know.
No, I really don't. It's gonna be right
No.
here.
So-
What?
I swear it's
What was
okay.
the video? What's the video called?
100% wax wheels.
So we'll do
Let's not play.
we'll do a
Let's not
pair.
play.
You really want to shut down my idea right now?
No, your idea is gonna
Your
break.
idea sucks.
And your speech over there We're not destroying it. We're getting the video done. That's the purpose of this.
Hello? You got some other stuff for me to do? All right, I'm over here.
Put the bearing, trace how big I need to cut the thing, and just cut with the drill. Perfect. Slot the bearing perfect.
Instead of 50 minutes of just going for a quick second.
It's gonna make such a mess on the desk.
We're helping you.
We are here to just bring you down.
Listen.
So your head's up here. We're here to level you out, brother.
Listen. I started right this video right here, all right? And then these guys started just dogging on me, right? And now I'm like right here. But then I really got to thinking internally about what is the most important thing about being a team player. And that is listening to my brothers around me. And sometimes you gotta realize that you make a mistake. I'm down. We can do it. I think, yeah, if we drill through, make some bearing holes, and then just slide them in, it'll probably be better.
So we can do like a couple different ones?
I'm not going to get this anymore, but I
Okay.
think we should get those two and do these two methods for sure. Let's get it. Well done, team. This is why I rely on you.
All right, we're going to be back at the Braille house. I'm turning the camera off right now.
I think this is going to work. This is brittle.
These both are going to work compared to the other method.
We got a hater on line 1. His name is Mowgli Manuel Herrera.
I don't think it's hate. I think it's just being straight up. You don't want a yes man all the time, right?
Correct.
Do you think that we can turn these into skate wheels?
I don't know. We'll have to see, bro.
Oh, careful. Oh, I know what you can do. Instead of putting the whole bearing in there, you can put one of these things.
Oh, like
know,
the spacers?
Yeah,
That's
so
what I was originally thinking.
That could work, yeah, for
yeah,
sure.
because then you don't have to make it weaker.
I know. I think it would just look so sick if there's a bearing in there, though. You know what? I think I have an idea. This is big enough for the truck and the spacer to go through.
No, that's what I mean.
Now if you countersink it just enough to get the bearing in there, you get what I mean? Rick! Where's my bearings go?
Yeah.
I just want to say I want to take at least 60% of this idea right here, because Gabe Krub's original idea was this. Just remember people.
Derek, I'm sorry about the cleanup.
I've never seen you blow.
What if this is too wide for the trucks? No. No!
No, we have
Look,
trucks that are wide.
That's the thumb, bro.
No, they're broken.
Then just cut this in half.
It sucks cutting this.
Wait, no. Stop.
Whoa. You guys are going way too...
No, we're not.
Relax.
We are right in the zone that we need to be, Mo.
No. Use the... That's too much. That's too much.
Oh.
I literally gave you the...
Woo!
I'll go ahead and say it. I have no faith anymore. It's too weak. It's gonna be too weak now.
Clearly, it's gonna be too weak, Mo. It is wax.
There has to be a truck.
I'm telling you, Rick.
All right, we're gonna go search for some trucks. We're gonna go search for some trucks. Wide. Oh, yep. There we go. I think I found them. I don't think this is the board we want, but it might be the trucks we need. All right, just in case I have to pull another one.
Hey, give me that. Don't throw it away. Give me that.
Gabe Cruz, we found it. I refuse to let this video go down without trying the wheels like this.
Look at this wheel.
No, that.
That's pretty good.
All right. I don't even care if I'm tweaking with like my ideas right now. Listen, just hear me out.
Look at this wheel.
Just hear me out. Hold this, and let me speak real quick. Look. Hey! To the dear goodness of all people, the reason why this is really, it's really affecting me mentally because look, this is gonna be weak. This will give us a longer time to be on the board.
All right, I'll do it for you, Mo.
We'll do 4 of Rick's, we'll do 4 of mine, and we'll do 4 of yours.
Thank you.
Jeez.
What do you mean, geez? This is for the people. The people don't just want to see a broken experiment. They want to see us successfully go through and make something work. This is what you put with someone that cares about what I want to do. We all care, but I want to see us succeed. I want to do a 50-50 on the rail. Roll on. I want to make it happen.
Leave it in the comments below if you've ever seen Mowgli this passionate about a video.
It's not even about being passionate. It's just I care too much about this, and I don't want people.
That is passion.
Listen, Linda. I just want to give the people a good show versus them just seeing, oh, they failed again. If I recall, Uzi board slid the whole wax rail. I think we're in for a surprise. We got 3 different options.
Ooh, it's hot.
I mean,
Gabe thinks I'm gonna be done before it even begins.
I mean, look at your wheels.
Look at that one. All right, should we what are we gonna do? Roll test?
Pick a trick, and then I gotta film it in slow mo.
I think just roll down the bank.
Roll down bank, drop in, or just roll down.
No, just roll down. Oh, you wanna do roll down?
My trick is drop in.
Because then you can break yours.
Yeah.
I want to survive. I want to roll.
And can you explain to the people how you went about this method of construction?
Okay, so see, this is the top of the pillar candle, and I sliced it, put the bearings in, and then I poured more molten wax to try to like
seal it,
cater for that. Yeah, give it a little bit of reinforcements. You know what would have been good is if I could drill the holes a bit better, but honestly, it's still pretty good. I actually low-key can't believe that we made 3 different kinds of wax.
That's what I was gonna say. Is that no matter what happens, I'm very impressed in all of our abilities to build these wheels.
Yeah.
I'm very impressed that we went the alternative route.
Should
we go check out Nigel's? Because remember he did do the one, right?
The one.
Let's have him present it real quick. Hey Nigel, you look like someone with those glasses on. I can't put my finger on it, but you look like someone.
The original idea.
This was my original idea. It definitely would have broke, but look at how good it looks though.
That does look really good.
It definitely looks better than any of the ones we made.
No way to spare.
If we double layered that, but leave it in the comments below if that would have been sick. It's like the wax things in the Squid Games video we did. Dude, that's legit. Hey, I gave in, but 100% my idea was the best.
It wasn't the best,
It was.
but it was a pretty good idea.
You heard it here first.
He said he has no faith in his wheels.
You have no, what, Rick?
Of course not. Hey, I told you the story. I told you, the Dark Star wheels. I had a 4-pack. I was using the wax the others, and I was like, all right, I can use one whole one, and I put it on, and it instantly broke.
So you're going for the drop in. Or I mean, for the roll in. I'm gonna switch to slow-mo.
Here we go.
So Rick, very first test.
All right.
You have 1 wheel remaining, and I think that puts you as the current winner because you're the only one. But still,
Look how far. Look at the destruction trail.
I know. How'd you think that went, Mo?
I already knew.
That means you are up next.
Same spot.
And are you doing the same trick?
I think we all should just do the same thing.
I think we should all do the same trick. Yeah. Are you proud?
I'm satisfied.
Are you surprised?
Dude,
if you didn't have the brittle inside.
But why do they make it like that? Someone explain to me why.
All right, Mo. I gotta get slow-mo. Make your predictions now before we switch to the slow-mo cam.
I'm making it.
You're making it?
Yeah.
All wheels survive?
Yeah.
I actually think that you will be able to roll.
Your board's heavy, Mo.
Because you got the more surface area too.
You got wide trucks, you got a heavy
see-
board. Well, the good thing is if the wheels do break, you just are riding on bearings. At least you won't get bodied.
You are incorrect because the wax and the metal, it's going to be a lot of power slides going on.
That was a good point, Mo. All right, to the slow-mo.
I'm so disappointed.
Look at that. Look at the thought process I went through.
Hey, Mo, regardless, I'm proud of you, bro. But right now, Ricky, with 1 wheel remaining, you are currently in the lead.
Hey, I just want to say, if mine broke instantly, yours are
Nah,
gone.
but Gabe's is kind of halfway between mine and yours.
You guys are the best of both worlds, and I'm like a hybrid of the two, because...
Oh yeah, he doesn't have the same material. If he doesn't want to drop in, it's okay.
This is done.
Oh yeah, these are breaking when I take a step on them. Even if Nigel takes a step on them, they're done. Take your congratulatory wheel.
Am I really gonna win? No way.
You're about to win, and
I'm so bad.
I'm so salty.
You're winning.
It's so funny that the top one actually like is the good one.
I'm playing strategy here. I'm putting the thicker wheels in the back and the more brittle ones in the front. So when I hit the bottom, these break, and then it relieves the pressure off these, and the back ones survive. So then I could theoretically have 2 survivors.
You know, theoretically, all mine were symmetrical.
Oh.
Dude, it's already broken! It's already broken! No! No, 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 no. How?
I guess you lost before you even started.
Hey, let me just go for the drop in. Let me have Nigel go for the drop in. Nigel, can you go for the drop in? Do this. You want to go for the drop in?
See the wheel.
There's one that's already broken.
How broken is it?
The best one is already. Whoa! Okay, wait.
100% wax wheel drop in. It is 100% a wheel, but it's made out of wax. Get it. Well, you're off. Let's go. Well, all right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
I've never seen you more invested in anything,
I
Mo.
was so invested because I was so sure that was gonna work.
You were as sure as me and Ricky are sure that normal people don't just drink straight hot water.
I'm not revisiting this video idea. Ricky is the winner of our wax wheel challenge. Leave it in the comments below. What do you think of our construction, of our design, of our final product? Let us know in those comments below, and let us know what other ideas you have for future videos. We'll see you in the next one.